The favorite thing about UKG so far has been my team that I've been working with. And I'm very glad that that's the team I got, because it was a night and day from my last implementation. That definitely hasn't been the case with UKG. They listen and then they build it, and guess what? It's working the way it's supposed to. That's so exciting.
I have never once felt the word stress and UKG in the same sentence. Stress is what we came from. UKG is the solution and the answer to what we needed. Did my implementation in 60 days. It was intuitive. The whole system was intuitive, even the implementation process. It really was.
Our implementation happened super fast. We had 3 specialists that helped us and a project manager, and we had weekly meetings. We even got through open enrollment in April with them. That was our employees' first kind of look at UKG, was open enrollment. UKG is really intuitive. They didn't really need a lot of help.
It was so efficient. The team that UKG built for us, absolutely phenomenal. So patient with us, so proactive, making sure that we understood what we needed to do as an organization to help them build what they needed to build for us. They were so patient with us and helping us really reimagine what our HR processes looked like, and so far it's been phenomenal.
I think what was great about implementation was they were really good at asking questions. Essentially what they do is they help you build the system from the back end, and it was very cool to see that happen, because when you transition from implementation to support, you kind of got a really cool crash course on navigating UKG. So implementation I really saw as a great learning opportunity for me to really dive into the system and really how to navigate it.